Hi everybody, my name is Jimmy Johansson and today I'm going to show you how we can create and assign tasks on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. To begin with, drag and drop the collaborative tasks application from the application pane into your dashboard. And to create a new task, you can either click on the blue plus sign at the top left corner or in the field right next to it. Once you entered a name for the task, you can edit its detail. And some of the details you can edit is estimated finish date. You can also edit the estimated duration for the task, meaning how long time will the task probably take. You can also add assign it for the task, so whoever is to do this know that he or she has a task to be performed. And of course you can also add attachments, for example images or documents that explain the details of the task. Once you're done, you click save and whoever is assigned to the task will be able to see the task in his or her collaborative task view.